Here I am taking more plants up to my garage. I built this little retaining wall on the side of the hill here. And I'm going to plant a couple things right here. And then over in my big garden over there that I've been working on. But for right now, plant a few things here. So the two things I'm going to plant today in this garden, I have no idea what they're called. One, my neighbor put in between our houses, and it has beautiful white flowers and it makes a good hedge. So I'm putting that here. Hopefully it's going to spread even further than this, and it'll make a nice hedge between the garage and our duplex. And then the other one gets really tall and has purple flowers. Once this starts spreading, then I'll probably move that one to another location. So I took 3 loads of sand out of here, just like in my prior videos. This one I built up a rock wall in front, and then I put in some composted manure. Now I'm going to dig a couple holes, plant these, and I just dug them up today, so their root ball isn't going to be like what I showed you in the past, but I just transplanted them today. It's fall, so it should be fine. If you know what these are called, leave it in the comments. They really are pretty, and they get really tall. White flowers, a lot of them, a lot of white flowers. Just packing in the soil good around it and making a good home. Push it down in good because there's a lot of organic matter here, so it's gonna sink. One down, 2 to go. I might put this one a little more towards the front. Eventually I'm going to have some stairs coming up right here so we can get from one place to the other in case we ever do move into the duplex and using our garage. We'll have an easier way to get to it. Pack in nice around the roots. And I'll give these guys some water in a little bit. They will be good to go. Those are transplanted now. Gathered some rocks with my tractor. I have a stilby to plant. We're gonna put it right in here, but I gotta build a little garden for it. The tallest stilby right here is a normal stilby, but these little short stilbies, they're a ground cover stilby, and they have pretty purple flowers, and they just kind of cover the ground. And then this stilby will get a little taller, and it's either white or pink, I'm not sure. Since it's fall and it's gone by, took it out of my garden, not sure which one it is. Either way, the white and the pink are both beautiful. I'm going to lay out this garden just like a loop right here. It's not going to be very big, but just the stilby likes the shade, so this will put it in some nice shade. Wow, almost perfect. Just a little bit off in this one corner. I could fill that in with either some small rocks, or maybe I'll just move this over just a tad. Alright, perfect. Tiny little garden for some beautiful stilby. Nothing else. This will allow for no other weeds or anything else to get in here. It's just these guys. Now I gotta fill it up with some dirt. Now the time to plant these. I just dug these up today, so again, their root balls are gonna be only what I dug up. I did pack some extra soil around them. I'll go in here with this. I'll put the larger still be in the back, and then the two ground ones off to the sides. One down, two to go. Pack it in nicely and give it some water, and these good to go. And here's where I have landed with my rock garden for this growing season. I have worked really hard, but now my tractor is in the shop and then going home, so I won't have it out here anymore. So now I am just going to try to enjoy the winter and plan for what my rock garden will look like next year. As you can see, I added a little more that I did not show in the video to this piece of the rock garden. And here you will see it from another view and a sneak peek of our siding. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.